day 3 in Madrid, and we are having breakfast at Federal Cafe. And I have my golden milk drink. Turmeric. I needed that. Feel like I'm at home, y'all. Walking into the Royal Palace. Did y'all see the ceiling? So I just finished touring the castle. I was not able to take pictures, photos, or videos in there, but I tell you, absolutely beautiful. I kid you not. If you're ever in Spain, do not miss this trip to the Royal Castle. At the Royal Palace in Madrid.
the side streets.
Oh, I don't know.
This is low. Handmade bags and belts, leather.
So this is Gonzalez House. The owners is still living in the second floor, and they manage this business already for 3 generations. The bar opened in 1931. At the beginning, they were focused in wines from Madrid and cheese from La Mancha. Nowadays, a wide variety of choices, 15 different kind of cheeses, 60 different kind of wines. So for wine lovers and for lovers, this is a very beautiful place because it's more quiet than others. You can sit down, you can stay quiet. Most of bars in Madrid, they are very crowded and quite noisy. This bar can be a little bit noisy inside, but it's very cozy, it's very nice if you are in love and you want to sit down with someone. And if you love wines, very nice prices. And just below, the USA, Australia, Chile, Argentina, New Zealand, South Africa, and not many more countries. China is starting, and some others. So anyway, huge industry in Spain, 69 different wine regions. Spain is full of nice wine appellations, although we produce a lot of bulk wine also, like wholesale wine, but today we're going to focus on the quality wines. 200.
It's really good.
You gotta be careful before the stuff come like.
No English. Anyway, it's just something. Probably the paprika and the olive oil makes the difference, right? So let's go in before people.
So I'm sitting in Madrid. She's sitting in Spain. Everybody's sitting in Spanish. No, we're just Thursday like this.
When I go home in the house, we are real quiet.
We're doing a food and wine tour here in Madrid, Spain, and this is our second bar. And this particular bar has been around for over 100 years. It is a lot of people in
Look at the eyes.
The British Museum. What is like California wine? No, this is Muscat.
Where is it from?
Spain.
Of course, but it's
So
dry.
all the wines gonna be from Spain? All the wines are from Spain tonight?
All of them. I mean, what's the point to pour?
Touche, I guess.
Actually, we don't drink American wines in Spain. We just drink.
I've been seeing like California
We
wine.
don't drink Californian wines in Spain.
Okay. He said, don't ever disrespect us like that.
No, America is so far away for us. So, and they are very expensive. So,
Remind me of Oprah. Yeah. Really? It's good.
Now we're having tapas.
That's salt with it. You taste the hint of salt?
Just a hint of salt.
What else is on this? The big asparagus.
Baked ham. All right. Baked ham. Baked ham.
They was ham a year ago. Ham I've had.
Oh my god. It's pretty good. It's not real salty. It has a great flavor. Oh, yeah. So the tapas are like on point. We had grilled asparagus tapa. What was this? Pepper stuffed with mushrooms.
Stuffed pepper with mushrooms.
A lentil soup with pork.
That's chicken noodle soup.
Chicken noodle soup. And then there was paella. Pork rice. Not lentil. What is this? Chickpeas with pig ears. They might call it a different name, but baby, it was pig ears in there. It was good. Oh, and we had shark fin. Fried shark fin. Very tasty. Goes good with our wine. Down the small streets of Madrid, going to our different restaurants for our wine and tapas tour. Yeah, I smell it.
Vale, you there? I'm gonna go in. Espera.
No, love it.
You love it.
Love, yeah.
You love it. Perfect. Sweet wines. They sell a very popular sweet wine in here. Red.
That's Spanish.
Is it sweet?
It's strong. The alcohol content is strong.
Is it sweet?
No, it's strong. Big.
That is good. What did he say it was called?
The alcohol content.
Oh my God. Y'all ready? Cheers. Cheers. Good and sweet red wine. Okay, so the other night I had garlic shrimp, and so tonight I'm gonna try it at a different place.
You,
The wine tour.
you can take also
Food
from
and
here
wine
because
tour.
it's there. It's one table every 2 persons. So you're therefore.
They did it right at this restaurant.
Break the bread in small pieces. They deep the bread in portions.
It was done right this time. It's not overly seasoned. It's not overcooked. It is perfect. Oh my God.
This is just like lamb intestines.
Yeah, it's wrapped around.
This is like lamb glandles. This is pork ear.
Pig's ear, honey.
So we just pick pig ear.
No.
Yeah, that's what was in. We eat pig ears, but it's the whole ear.
Calamari rings, mussels, padron peppers, mushrooms, like patatas bravas, and chistorra.
Look at this little pig, he got an earring.
A piercing, no? Square, this is Lavapiés neighborhood.
Is this where the town hall is?
The what?
I meant. Oh, it's okay.
This is just like the multicultural area of Madrid, full of different cultures and countries. La Latina, where the flea market tomorrow, La Latina. This is the Habsburg, the oldest quarter for Madrid, like the origin of Madrid. This is Puerta del Sol, like the 0 kilometer of Spain. And this is the literary neighborhood, the neighborhood we come from. So all these neighborhoods, they just come together in this square. We're gonna walk straight.
But La Latina is that way.
La Latina is cellars. Originally, the cellars were to keep wine. They were selling wine in the Plaza Mayor. The wine was placed in here, in the basements. During the wars, during the battles, the population in Madrid were using the caves like for bomb shelters or just like refugees. The deeper you go, the better. So metro stations were the most popular shelters during the Spanish Civil War. In here, you were very close to the street. In the 19th century, all these buildings started to become restaurants and shops. So the owners started to block the exits, the gates, trying to make rooms a little bit smaller. Before, everything was connected. People were walking from house to house just by the underground. And you can find also the ventilations. They were just aerated.